At GF, innovation starts here, in Irvine, California. As the U.S. sales and design headquarters, Irvine connects customers across industries with the engineering expertise, prefabrication capabilities, and manufacturing excellence that define GF. Our in-house teams, including product management, engineering, marketing, production, customer service, and more, bring ideas to life through a customer-centric, design thinking approach. We work side by side with customers in the field to understand their challenges and develop smarter, faster, and more reliable piping solutions from concept to installation. With a nationwide network, GF combines local expertise with global reach. Our capabilities span from advanced manufacturing in Little Rock, Arkansas, Bakersfield, California, and Easton, Pennsylvania, to strategic distribution hubs in Arizona, Illinois, Georgia, and Dallas, ensuring our customers get the right solution right when they need it. In Little Rock, innovation meets production. 12 new Engel injection molding machines with 6-axis robots, expanded extrusion lines, and doubled mold capacity are driving uptime and output like never before. We work with a wide variety of materials. PVC, CPVC, HDPE, GB, and PVPF deliver durable, high-performance solutions for every application. Visual factory management and targeted cavitation projects push us closer to world-class manufacturing every day. Our lab brings ideas to life, from machining and tensile testing to electrophusion in a walk-in cold chamber, ensuring every product meets the highest standards. With a diverse team committed to safety, quality, and production, and a customer-focused, design-thinking approach, Little Rock is where GF turns complex challenges into reliable solutions while investing in the next generation of talent. At our Bakersfield, California facility, GF manufactures advanced thermoplastic piping systems using extrusion, custom shapes, and heavy wall tubing, serving the demanding needs of industrial water treatment, chemical, utility, and infrastructure markets. The Bakersfield site is part of our coast-to-coast U.S. manufacturing network, delivering scale, responsiveness, and reliability. In Easton, Pennsylvania, our team operates advanced extrusion lines and custom machining for industrial thermoplastic piping systems, from square and hex profiles to heavy wall tubing in PVC and CPVC. With in-house tooling, CAD, and testing capabilities, Easton ensures the precision and performance our customers demand. And through targeted manufacturing upgrades and continuous improvement, the site helps drive efficiency, quality, and sustainability across our U.S. network. We invest in new technology, new ideas, and the next generation of skilled talent through our partnerships with local schools and universities. At every location, our people make the difference. A diverse, safety-driven workforce united by a shared commitment to quality and innovation.